Okay, it is Wednesday morning, inspecting a house right now, and I'm standing in the garage because there's a lot of things I want to show you in this garage. So let's take a look. So as you can see right behind me here, and I got some plumbing in the ceiling there. Got, typical older garage. This building was built in the 50s or 60s. I gotta double check that. But, so let me flip this around. And right away, we're seeing a pretty significant foundation crack. So this foundation crack is also a retaining wall. On the other side of this is the crawl space. Right through these holes here, there's a crawl space on this side here. So not only is it the foundation, it's also a retaining wall, and we've got a pretty significant crack. I can almost get my finger in there. That definitely needs attention by a foundation company, no doubt. Then we come over here, and you see a lot of spalling, which is deterioration of the concrete. See, it's all just kind of falling off here. So that's an indication of an older foundation, and here we have another crack. On this side here, we have a lot of efflorescence and a heavy amount of spalling here. So, I mean, that's all aggregate. That's the stone inside the concrete. So this has been having issues for quite some time. But what I want to point out on this side, if you look at the concrete floor up against the concrete foundation, you'll see the gap widens as it goes out to the front. It gets bigger and bigger. So what happened here is this corner of the structure has settled, causing this to crack right here, and that's where the separation is coming from. Somebody tried to fix it once, and it's still moved since then. So this house definitely needs further evaluation by a structural engineer / foundation contractor. I also want to point out these non-standard plumbing repairs. So this is the wrong angle here for a drain. This here is questionable, not the end of the world, but look at all this cast iron here, and you're starting to get a lot of corrosion. I see splitting right here. It's actual splitting on that pipe. It's gonna start leaking. So it's time to upgrade all this cast iron and just get rid of it. I haven't looked at the top yet. There could be splits on the top as well. And we got all these gaping holes in the garage ceiling. This is a fireproofing issue between the garage and the house, as you can see in several areas. Over here as well. So this plaster / drywall is meant to be a fire barrier between the garage and the house. As you can see here, we got holes everywhere. So you want to get all those patched up, sealed up, even these holes here. These, I can see right into the crawl space from there. So yeah, this is just the garage. And I just pointed out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 different issues here. So it's real important to get your home inspected when you're buying a house. You want to know what's going on. And yep, so call theauthority.com on your next home inspection. See you on the next video.